Hi there, kids. How's your day? We are playing fetch with our dog.
Do you see where the stick is? Great! It's under the tree. Thanks.
Uh-oh, Dutch can't seem to find the stick again. Can you help us look for the stick? Where is it? There it is. It's under the bench.
Wait a second. We've been using the word under. Let's discuss its use today.
Under is a preposition that tells an object is placed below or lower than something else, often so that one thing covers the other, like under the tree and under the bench.
That makes sense, Teacher Aya. So, if you are trying to describe an object placed below or lower than another object, then we should use the word under. Like in this example, the stuffed toy is under the table.
Another example is, my boots and socks are under my bed.
That's simple. Use under if you are telling the location of an object that is placed below another object. Now, looking at this picture, can you tell me where the ball is? Very good, kids! The ball is under the drawer.
What about this one? Where is the cat hiding? That's right. The cat is hiding under the sheet.
Great job, kiddos. You all did great. See you again next time for another quick and easy English lesson. Bye.